Thank you. That's nice. I appreciate it. And we're going to talk a little bit about what psychological safety in the workplace, why that matters, what's holding us back. My name's Trevor Mayo. We're in Winnipeg at the CCWESTT event engaging men in conversations around creating more equitable and safe workplaces. So this is a really participatory day. We're having a conversation around psychological safety, about the difference between microaggressions and how they contribute to a cycle of bigger violence and culture of bigger violence. We're chatting about really what people's role is in creating a safer workplace, what it's going to look like after today. So training is not enough. Having the conversation is not enough. We also need to action plan and come together for collective action. And so a big part of today was figuring out what is the role of the sector, what is the role of the individual, and what is the role of the organization.
I was really pleased to see the number of construction companies that came out this morning. Vauxhall Construction was here, Bird Construction, Monroe Group, Bigvison North, City of Winnipeg, Manitoba Hydro. So it's really catching on, and that's what makes it so exciting and encouraging to see the change taking place.
Just looking for an opportunity to help create a more inclusive workplace, learn more about psychological safety, and just learn skills to better support my team.
Being a typically male-dominated industry, being a typically rough and tumble industry, it hasn't been a place of, I would call, psychological safety. You have to be of a certain cut, you have to be of a certain type to succeed in the industry is what the story that's being told. And today we're telling a different story. We're saying, look, this industry isn't just like that anymore. There's different behaviors and attitudes that can be expressed in the workplace, and those things don't just make workplace more inclusive, it makes the workplace better.
So the co-action discussion today was only part of our general collaboration with the Manitoba Construction Sector Council. What we're also doing is working with them as leaders in the province of Manitoba to roll out 3 different trainings and workshops that are geared towards creating psychologically safe workplaces. So one is the shift change course, which is geared towards male leaders in the skilled trades.
To Chris for being part of this program, and we clap after everyone.
Those that are doing it see the benefits and the results, and more people are seeing that. So yeah, it's nice to see leaders in these initiatives and people getting out and putting in the work.
We talk about the harassment, the unwanted touch, unwelcoming touch, right? Are things excluding somebody, isolating an individual. Gerald LaRose, a former professional football player. I'm now working with the Violence Association of BC, and we're here over the next 3 days talking about gender-based violence and the importance of being more than a bystander. We're not here to demonize individuals. This program is about being able to reflect.
The Be More Than a Bystander program was an initiative originally created by the BC Lions, and it evolved into a workplace program that has been extremely successful, particularly in male-dominated environments. We have men at the forefront of conversations talking about bullying, harassment, and gender-based violence, and normally that's an unheard of conversation for them. And this program is very special in how successful it is and how much it resonates with people, and really impacts culture in workplaces.
I soaked in all the information about all the statistics they have. Some of it's alarming. Some of it is not even, But I'd like to be a part of that change, moving forward, moving in a positive direction for sure.
I think it would be highly beneficial for people to take this. I will put it out there that some of the material definitely is triggering or can be triggering. Many people, especially the men in the group, have a mother, a sister, a daughter, somebody that is near and dear to them. And this particular course is kind of opening up everybody's eyes.
My hope with this training is that it's going to expand and it's going to become something more relevant to the construction industry. Right now it's a new idea and it's just catching on, but I'm certainly seeing momentum building, not just in construction, but across other sectors.